How to set up a playlist with Amazon Music. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. It is a quick and easy process. So all you have to do is open up your Amazon Music application and make sure that it is up to date and you're logged in. From here, you have to navigate to My Music, so go ahead and tap on it. Now at the very top, you will see this option of Playlist. Tap on Playlist. Then at the bottom, you should find an option called Create New Playlist. So go ahead and tap on Create New Playlist. Then Amazon Music will suggest you some of the songs that you can add to your playlist, or you can easily search for songs and add to your designated playlist. All you have to do is tap on the plus sign icon next to the songs. Now once your playlist is all set up, you can easily edit it whenever you want by just tapping on the three dot next to your playlist. You can easily add more songs to your playlist, rename your playlist, and also delete your playlist. And most exciting is you can start session, that is the group session, where you can play music in a group where everyone can join a session and play their designated music preferences. Isn't it cool? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and that is all for how to set up a playlist with Amazon Music. Thank you so much for tuning in.